Agents! Someone just hacked our database, Clark, and deleted my tuna recipes! That's not just a crime, Chief. That's war. Beneath Miawatan, neon lights flicker as Pow and Luna descend into the Cybercat underworld.
Encrypted signals everywhere. The Phantom Claw's been busy.
Let's catch this hacker before he steals my Kung Fu playlist too.
Holograms flicker, digital cats vanish, and the line between code and reality blurs.
Welcome, agents. You've entered my domain, Tunsi. Can you fight in zero lag? Watch me. My Kung Fu loads instantly. Flashes of blue and red light fill the cyber dojo as Data and Claws collide in midair.
Firewall secured, hacker defeated, tuna recipes restored.
Perfect. Justice A and Dinner Maid are both back online.